Science and Technology. On behalf of Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to the webinar on positive thinking, be the change you want to see in the world, organized by the Office of Dean Students Welfare of the University. Now, your presence here shows your commitment to the theme, the show must go on. Whatever may come, we would keep on marching ahead. So building such a positive attitude during the time of pandemic is the need of the hour. And this reminds me of a few lines of a famous poem. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. I extend a heartfelt welcome to Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Tankeshwar Kumar, who has always been a source of inspiration and encouragement through his visionary leadership. In fact, Sir has been instrumental and he gave the idea of organizing this webinar. A special welcome to Dr. Sunita Rani, who is Professor of Social Management at Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie. Professor Sunita is a doctorate of management, and I'm very happy to say that from our own university, and masters in applied psychology and business administration. She has been working in the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy since the year 2014. Her career has been a mix of teaching, training, administration, and personal management. She started her career as lecturer way back in the year 2000, and I am very proud to say she was commissioned in the Indian Air Force in the year 2004. We are really proud of you, ma'am, and retired as squadron leader. Her current teaching interests revolve around communication, ethics, emotional intelligence, leadership, personality, teamwork, and group dynamics, as well as gender issues. She's a certified trainer for personality development, leadership, and negotiation. She has also ventured out. She's a very dynamic personality, and she has ventured out in sports like hockey, volleyball, adventure sports like mountaineering and para jumping. In addition to contributing to the meaningful research and training, the apex profession, जो बहुत admired profession है, of civil servants, her life objective is to reach out to people and help them in achieving their potential and lead a better life. A very warm welcome to a versatile and dynamic personality, Professor Sunita. We are indeed honored and happy to have you here with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
A cordial welcome to all colleagues, deans, chairpersons, in charges who have gathered here and are a part of this program. Again, a welcome to people from press and media. A special welcome to the students and research scholars for whom we have organized this program, who are the asset of our own university, as well as hope for the nation. You are hope of India, my dear students. So, my dear students, we all know, we all are sailing through a global pandemic. And last year, COVID-19, जैसे pause button दब जाता है, halted our life. It halted our march towards our careers, our dreams. But in these unexpected transition times, when we transited from classroom education to online education, and changing guidelines kept on coming, there was loss of personal contact of students with friends, and there was widespread negativity due to pandemic. And all this has no doubt exerted tremendous pressure on your mind. So, my dear students, we must remember that adversity is the greatest teacher. Gandhi ji often said, the father of our nation, keep your thoughts positive, because your thoughts will make your words. Your words will become your behavior. Your behavior will become your habits and ultimately your destiny. So it is we, our thoughts, which mold our destiny. So use this time of pandemic to rediscover your passions जो हम काफी टाइम से इग्नोर कर रहे थे. Connect with nature, connect with your friends and do not lose hope. Develop a positive attitude. मैं एक पोएम की 2 लाइंस के साथ फिनिश करना चाहूंगी. Say not, struggle not avail it. The labor and wounds are vain. हमें लगता है कि हमारी स्ट्रगल का कोई फायदा नहीं है. हमने जो लेबर की, हमें जो वूंड्स मिले, वो सब बेकार गए. No, if hopes are dupes, fears may be liars. कि अगर हमारी होप गलत है तो हो सकता है हमारे डर भी झूठे हों. So if hopes are dupes, fears may be liars. So once again, I extend a warm welcome to one and all present here. Have a fruitful discussion, and I hope by the end of the day, we all will end up adding something to our positivity in our character, in our behavior, in our personalities. Thank you. So a very warm welcome to one and all present. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such an introduction. And we are really excited to listen more from Professor Sunita Rani. So now, without taking much of your time, I invite Professor Sunita Rani to share her valuable insights with all of us. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So, I actually wish that if Professor Deepa could continue, it was so, every word you were saying, it was like you mean it. Right. So it was as if you can actually continue in this session in between, maybe wherever you feel like. Your words are giving that positivity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So nice to see you.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I'm really grateful, and it is always a privilege to come back to your alma mater and interact with the people there, and especially the students. Right, and it's so thoughtful of you and VC sir and everybody that we should have sessions like this. And it will, irrespective of the content or session I will be taking, irrespective of that, this process should continue. It should, lead to, different variations of sessions on positive thinking and related themes. Thank you so much. Okay, so let me share my screen and then maybe 2-3 things I would like to start before actually starting my presentation. Okay. So my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Okay. So to all the participants, irrespective of whether you are a research scholar and students or colleague, and I can see some of my friends are also there, so everybody, welcome to this session again. And 2 things I want to say. One is that one expectation which you should not have from this session is that it will not be a very, very high level pep talk. There are 2 reasons why it is not that. One reason is I'm not that good in doing that. And the second reason is that, I am better in conveying the logical aspects, the rational aspects of things. So in this also, I'll bring some thing related to why it is so. What is the reason behind if we think in a particular way, why we think like that? Right. So it is good, participants, that you are trying your hands on the annotation button, but I'll give you a chance to do that.
You can disable these annotations.
Okay, it's okay.
On top of your screen, there will be an option of more.
So let me clear.
Disable notations for others. There will be
Sonia and all, please, Professor Sachin, please don't do this. It is. We can have different session for this, right? Okay, where is the
Ma'am, on the top of
Disable.
your screen.
I can see the this full screen of annotation.
Yes, ma'am. There is an option of more.
Option of
More is written over there.
more.
Yes, ma'am. उस पे click करो.
नहीं आ रहा है मेरे ख्याल से. More मेरे पास नीचे ही आ रहा है. Disable annotation. Yes.
हाँ, disable annotation for others.
हाँ, कर दिया मैंने. I have done. Let me clear. Okay. So let me remain positive about this. That practice is good, and we feel like child when there is something to draw and something to write upon. So as I was saying, please don't expect that this will be something which will be a kind of very high level pep talk. And the second is, please don't expect that I'll remove all your positive thinking and no, at the end of the session the negative thinking, and at the end of the session there will be full positive thinking in your mind, right? So these two things are not going to be they are not going to happen, right? So before we go on the how to remain positive, I want to ask one simple question. What do you understand by thinking per se? What is thinking? So because we have a limited time and there is question answer session also at the end. So in between, I'll ask you, if you want to say, you can use mic, or if you don't want to speak, you can use chat also. So sometimes when you don't want to use mics, you can write in chat. What do you understand by thinking? Yes, anybody? What do you understand by thinking? What is thinking? Anybody who would like to speak or write? What is thinking?
Yes, ma'am. May I?
Yes, please, Poonam.
It's a direction of using your mind to produce ideas like decisions or opinion or judgment. That's
Right.
thinking.
Very, very close and very, very right. So basically, thinking is the flow of ideas and their association, which can lead to logical conclusions for anything, right? So it allows us to make sense of things around us, to interpret them, to interpret the word, and to interpret the experience we have, and to make prediction about the future. The simple meaning of thinking is, it is basically about how we process everything around us. What is the way of processing. Now we come to two types of thinking. One is positive and one is negative. What all you know about positive and negative thinking? Anybody? Yes. What is positive thinking? Yes, Garima.
Positive thinking simply means which gives us happiness, which motivates our mood. This is positive thinking. And whenever we think something negative, then that demotivates us from doing something, that makes us feel bad. This is the difference between these two.
Yes, very right. Anybody else would like to try? What is positive thinking and negative thinking?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, positive thinking relates with our positive attitude toward a thing, like we having a positive attitude about something or negative attitude. It is a positive thinking.
Yes, rightly said. So when I was preparing this session, and I was thinking about getting something, how to define positive thinking and how to define negative thinking. So I was not convinced with many of the content. So what I just saw was in one of the video, there is one motivational speaker. I don't like him at all, but he explained this positive and negative thinking with one story, and this I somehow like that part. So I'm sharing one thing that in this session we'll talk about assumptions. So I assume that person can never say something relevant. I assume that person is very highly artificial. So when he speaks, I tend to feel disconnected. I don't connect with that motivational speaker. But this thing clicked with me. So I just passing through in a just when I was watching that video, that story clicked me. So I narrate that story for you. It's a metaphor, actually, not real story. So the story is that you assume yourself you are in a cricket field, in a game of cricket, where you are the only player and there is no other player, no, you can say umpire, right? And there are unlimited balls. So unlimited number of balls are there. And who is bowling? It is life. Life, which is bowling at you one by one, one by one, one by one. And you are on the pitch with the bat. So, there is one person who, seeks that one ball is coming, he can see, and he missed that ball. And when he missed that ball, he felt bad. And then he, went aside. Baki ball jane di, and he left the life. Understood? Left the life means he ended his life. The second person who was holding the bat, he saw one ball coming and he missed it. Second ball coming, he missed it. Third coming, he missed it. Fourth ball, he prepared himself well and made earned a sixer. Right? So he actually made up for all the three missed ball, and in the fourth ball, he achieved something good. Right? So like this, you can imagine life and you playing the cricket game, and nobody can guarantee, nobody can claim that I am able to play all the balls. Right? There will be many which you have to leave. There will be many for which you have to be prepared and you will play well. Right? So the positive thinking is when you are able to see every ball and try to play it rather than leaving the bat and leaving the field. Negative thinking is at every when you leave one ball, you will close your eyes ki ye mere sath kya ho gaya, why I left this, and then you see other balls are coming but you are not ready for that. Right? That is negative thinking. So I somehow felt that this example clears so much about positive and negative thinking. And if you have heard this, I think हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी ने बोला कि या मतलब अमिताभ बच्चन जी के नाम मुंह से ज्यादा सुना है, तो ऑब्वियसली उनके फादर ने लिखा होगा कि मन का हो तो अच्छा, ना हो तो और भी अच्छा. So it is something like that. If things are going as per your planned way, it is good. If they are not going as per your plan, it means there is something else in that. Life is planning something else for you, right? So it's something. So this is my positive and negative thinking skill. I'm showing like as a teacher, if you say. As an academician, my life is kind of stable baseline, more or less okay. Some days when some session goes well, like if this session goes well, I'll be happy throughout the day. By the evening, I'll come back to my baseline, normal. By tomorrow, I'll be same. If this session goes very bad, out of 300, I see only 50% remaining, everybody has left. The room. So it will be like I'll feel कि क्यों ऐसा क्यों हुआ, why it happened, what I did, it was such a horrible session I delivered, like this. So I'll think about it not for one day, for many days, for many days, and then even if my next session or something good happens, it will take time for me to come to baseline. Right? So the idea here is we tend to get stuck in negatives more rather than positive. We take positive, but we are more stuck with the negative. So our tendency is to see the glass half empty rather than glass half full. Right? So we have to shift this, and we have to work hard to shift this. So we have to change our frame from loss frame, where we see the glass half empty, to the gain frame, where we see the glass full, half full rather than empty. Now, just to convey the same point, I want to show this graph. This graph is Just imagine there was a period in economy when economy was doing good, and then suddenly there were a depression period for 2-3 years, and it went very, very down, and then it came up. Right. So this is graph of 4-5 years of economy of some country, or maybe world, or maybe you can imagine. Right. Now this line, blue line, is economy. Now this orange line is trust of consumers. So you can see that consumer trust is going down when economy is going down. They are almost touching the same depth. But economy recovered, but it is taking time for the consumers trust to regain the same level. So it means it is easy to change the economy, but very difficult to change the mind of consumers. Right? So we are somehow stuck in negative rather than positive. Now I ask you, why this positive and negative thinking matters? If you can share on chat, or anybody can use mic. Why this positive and negative thinking matters?
Yes. Because it changes the perception of an individual.
Yes, because it changes the perception of individual. So like Deepa ma'am used this quote from our father, Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, that a man is but the product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. So there is a danger here. The danger is if we think more in terms of negativity, we'll become a negative person, right? So it is somehow, there is a term I'm telling, maybe if there is somebody who has read about this, or psychology students, they know about it, and OB students may also know about it. Self-fulfilling prophecy. What we expect can often come true. So if we think negative and we expect negative, our whole being will do something to bring that thing in reality, right? If we think negative, we will think like a simple example कि ना मेहनत करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. If that is the thinking, तो जब फायदा ही नहीं है, तो you will obviously not work hard. If you will not work hard, you will not do well. And then you will come to the conclusion that मेहनत करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. It is like a cycle. There is a belief, then some expectation related to that belief. Then you take some actions because of that belief, and that result will confirm your belief. So it is a circle. So, but this one of the writer and speaker says, Tony Robbins, we will act consistently with our view of who we truly are. जो हम अपने बारे में सोचते हैं ना, that मैं ऐसा हूं, तो जनरली हम वैसा ही बिहेव करते हैं. So if you think negatively about yourself, you will behave as per that. Right? So be careful. One term, remember, self-fulfilling prophecies. Now, this was just to establish that positive thinking is good, it's better. So we should try to shift from negative thinking to more of positive thinking. To understand how we can do that, we have to understand how we think, how this positivity and negativity comes in our mind, how our mind works. Now I ask you, do you know this term, sensation? Anybody? Sensation, what is sensation? Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Manju, please.
Ma'am, focus on good things, challenging situation and obstacle are part of life.
Sensation, I'm asking, there is a process, हमारी body में, there is a process, Manju, just think about it again.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Sakshi.
Ma'am, sensation is like physical feeling, like if our अपनी body है जैसे burn हो जाएगी, उस पे tingling होगी, तो it's called sensation.
Yes. In layman terms, you explained it well. The process by which our sense organs receive information from the environment. So our all 5 senses, how they receive information from environment. This is simple registration of the information which is there in the environment. Then there is one level up process. What is perception? Anybody would like to?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please, Sangeeta.
Assigning meaning to the sensation is perception.
Yes. So it is perfectly in a textbook form, that when we sense something from the environment, and then we sort this information, we interpret this information, we analyze this information and try to make sense of this information. That is perception. So there is sensation and there is perception. Now I ask you, do you believe in reality? Do you believe that you are able to perceive reality? Whatever is there in the world, in real, you can actually perceive that. How many feel that way, that they can perceive reality? You can raise your hand. Do you think that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody who sees we can't see reality that objectively? Anybody? Like, for example, if I have a chair in front of me of brown color, this actually in brown color, it is not my mistake that I'm perceiving that. Anybody who is contrary to this, those who are raising hand, you can say, you can use mic and say, do you think you perceive reality in the world? Or you can use chat box also, yes or no? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Who is saying no? गहरे
Rohit,
कुएं
ma'am.
से आवाज आ रही है, हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, we can't perceive reality. We can only perceive sometimes that the things which are told to us. For example, if I can't be everywhere at the same time.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
if somebody is cooking in kitchen, so if I ask what has been cooked, so if they say it is rajma chawal, so I will think it is rajma chawal. So it's totally
Okay.
depend on the other person, that what he is telling and how he perceive things.
Okay. So this is one way of looking at things. Okay, let me give you a test. And in this test, everybody has to participate. Just be ready. So I'm giving you one simple picture. You have to tell the color of this picture. Maybe some of you have seen this earlier on internet or WhatsApp, but still we'll see how many of you see which color. I'll just show you. Oh, sorry. My mistake. I wanted to show this. Yes. Which color is this dress?
मैम चैट बॉक्स को ओपन
चैट
करवा
बॉक्स में डाल
दीजिए,
दो तो
chat
बेटर
box चल
रहेगा.
रहा है।
हाँ जी. क्या हुआ चैट बॉक्स में?
चैट बॉक्स ओपन नहीं है मैम, बंद कर रखा है चैट बॉक्स, उसको चालू करवा दीजिए.
मैम डिसेबल किया है
जो
चैट बॉक्स.
अभी ऑन कर दीजिए थोड़ी देर के लिए.
पार्टिसिपेंट्स अनम्यूट करके बोल सकते हैं जो chat. तो थोड़ी देर अभी डिसेबल रखना पड़ेगा चैट.
ब्लू.
Okay. Maybe tell me some colors which you can see. Some of you can say.
ब्लू ड्रेस.
And black.
Black, blue.
Shade.
लाइट ब्लू. लाइट ब्लू.
Golden color, ma'am.
Golden color. Golden के साथ दूसरा कलर क्या है?
लाइट ब्लू.
Brown, red,
लाइट ब्लू.
Light blue. और किसी को व्हाइट भी दिख रहा है? क्रीम.
yes ma'am, cream white.
White दिख रहा है.
Even I can see white.
Okay. So
No, it is not white.
it is not white. Yes, it is.
White, ma'am.
It is white. Okay. So just tell me why it is happening that some of you are able to see blue color, some of you are seeing it white color, some see gray, some see golden.
Ma'am, because everyone has its own perception.
Because of different shades of vision of everyone.
Yes, yes. So, Ankit, you are also right. And who said different shades? You are also right. So I'm just going back to my previous slide. So what I wanted to show was our perception do not mirror the objective external reality. और हम में से जो लोग ये सोचते हैं कि कभी कभी होता है ऐसा that we are not able to see the reality, it is most of the time that we are not able to see the reality. We perceive same thing differently. We perceive many things in different way. Actually, they are not there in that sense. तो फिजिकल चीजों की बात तो कर ही रहे हैं, हम situations की भी बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about people also, right? So we are making the perception. Actually क्या है? Perception simple ये नहीं है कि आपकी senses ने data लिया और उसको process कर दिया. So in the process, your brain is actually trying to make predictions. So based on our experience, our assumptions, and neuropsychologists, neurophysicists, they say our brain is not only कि मैं पैदा हुई एक brain लेके पैदा हुई and that will work like that. Our brain is from our evolution time, जो हमारे ancestors ने जो feel किया, जो register किया, जो सीखा, that also comes in genes, that also comes in our mind. So उन्होंने कुछ चीजें जो सीख ली that we should do like this to survive and we should avoid this to survive, that is also registered in our mind. Right? So perception is a very complex process. It is not that easy. One more test maybe. Read what you see. Now, just tell me what you read here. Anybody?
Can you read it?
Can you read it?
Can you read what it is?
Can you read it?
Can you read this?
Next.
You are not reading this.
Not reading this.
Not reading this.
You are not reading this.
What are you reading?
What are you reading?
What are you reading? I told you read what you see.
What are you reading?
So that is my question now. I told you read what you see, but what are you reading?
And there is a letter W.
Yes. So it is. So so if your mind will not make prediction, if your mind will not fill in the gaps, you will write W at AR OU re in question mark, right? But our mind is processing. Our mind cannot wait for so long to make meaning. It is so quick to make meaning. In 30 seconds, it will fill in the gaps, right? So our perception, I'm coming back to this, why our perception is different. The way we look at things, from where we are looking at things, the same thing will look different. And there are many, many, many reasons to be like that. Now, next term is assumptions. So just to check about assumptions, what this person is doing, what you can assume this person, what he is like.
Shouting.
Very angry or
Excited.
Very angry, excited. Okay.
Shouting.
Shouting. Okay.
shouting to someone.
Shouting at someone. Okay, so I'm just reframing this. I'm changing the context around this and just see what he is doing.
Protesting.
Protesting or encouraging or, speaking slogans, kind of maybe motivating people, right? So you can see I have just changed one frame. Earlier the information was small. I'm giving you more information and your perception changes, right? So this was one thing about assumption, so I'm trying to convey something about assumption, that sometimes on the basis of small amount of information, we try to assume things. Right? For example, like I started this session and maybe what Deepa madam said and what I said in the starting, you must have already assumed many things about me. right? Maybe somebody may be feeling कि क्या मतलब कोई बहुत अच्छा नहीं बोल सकती है, ये है वहां है ना, कोई सोचेगा एयरफोर्स से है तो ऐसी होगी या वैसी होगी, ठीक है, कोई सोचेगा वहां पढ़ाती है तो कैसा पढ़ाती होगी, ऐसा पढ़ाती होगी वैसा पढ़ाती होगी, ये कलर टी शर्ट पहना है तो ऐसी होगी वैसी होगी, छोटे बाल हैं तो ऐसी होगी वैसी होगी. Understand that on the basis of limited information we try to assume things, we try to judge people, we try to label people, right? So I'll show you one video, and I think can I directly share from this, or I have to change some setting, Pramod?
No, ma'am, you can
You can share directly, ma'am.
Okay, let me try.
मोर ऑप्शंस में जाके आपको शेयर साउंड वो ऑप्शन है वो इनेबल करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, so let me go share sound. Please tell me if you can.
To a whole new level.
Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is audible.
सर चैट बॉक्स को चालू कर देते ना, चैट बॉक्स को ऑन कर दीजिए.
Samsung 46 chat box.
Okay, please see the video first. Please see the video.
A woman was waiting at an airport one night with several long hours.
Video is not visible.
She
Video
hunted
not
for a
visible.
book.
Not visible.
Ma'am, video is not visible.
Okay. Wait. Let me share
Yes,
it.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I'll share it again.
YouTube के थ्रू कर रहे हैं मैम.
हाँ.
YouTube
Yes.
वीडियो है मैम या फिर.
हाँ, YouTube है. Now you can see.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Audio video okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A woman was waiting at an airport one night with several long hours before her flight. She hunted for a book in the airport shop, bought a bag of cookies, and found a place to drop. She was engrossed in her book, but happened to see that the man beside her, as bold as could be, grabbed a cookie or two from the bag between, which she tried to ignore to avoid a scene. She munched cookies and watched the clock as this gutsy cookie thief diminished her stock. She was getting more irritated as the minutes ticked by, thinking, if I wasn't so nice, I'd blacken his eye. With each cookie she took, he took one too, and when only one was left, she wondered what he would do. With a smile on his face and a nervous laugh, he took the last cookie and broke it in half. He offered her half as he ate the other. She snatched it from him and thought, oh, brother. This guy has some nerve, and he's also rude. Why, he didn't even show any gratitude. She had never known when she had been so galled and sighed with relief when her flight was called. She gathered her belongings and headed for the gate, refusing to look back at the thieving ingrate. She sank in her seat, then sought her book, which was almost complete. As she reached in her baggage, she gasped with surprise. There was her bag of cookies in front of her eyes. If mine are here, she moaned with despair, then the others were his, and he tried to share. Too late to apologize, she realized with grief that she was the rude one, the ingrate, the thief.
What this video tells us?
We are too quick to judge people.
We are too quick to judge people, and most of the time we are wrong. Most of the time we are wrong. Anybody had any recent example of being wrong, assuming wrong? Anybody would like to share? where you assume something.
I have listened a story in which there is the same case happening because of quick judgment of any person on the thoughts or the feelings of someone other one, and it is due to that one child was not having the eyes, and he was being treated by some doctor, and it was the first vision of him that he was seeing the world around us, and he was so happy after seeing the trees, and he was just traveling, and he see that the trees are just running with him, and he was so happy, and the traveler just sitting beside him was saying that he is mad, but her parents said that he is not mad, he is very talented, and it is the first vision of him, that's why he is treating like this.
Yes, very right. Thank you, Anjali. Thank you for sharing this. You know, we assume so many things as a student, as a teacher. So I remember as a student, what I used to assume was, you know, कि जो लोग हिंदी मीडियम में पढ़े होते हैं कि बहुत ज्यादा दूर तक तो जाते नहीं है, मतलब they don't you know, they बहुत ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल नहीं होते हैं, और जो बहुत फराटेदार इंग्लिश बोलते हैं they academically भी बहुत अच्छा करते हैं और कैरियर में भी बहुत अच्छा करते हैं. तो आप में से कितने लोग अभी तक भी ऐसा सोचते हैं? Anybody who have this assumption? Yes, Garima? That's not true. You don't think like that. Okay. But I'm sharing what I used to think, and why I used to think was कि मैंने जो पढ़ाई करी 10th तक वो सरकारी स्कूल से करी, तो और उसके बाद मैं HAU में आ गई. And when I came to HAU, मैंने देखा वहां जो है लड़कियां थी इतनी फर्राटेदार इंग्लिश बोल के, और यू नो लेक्चरर से क्वेश्चन पूछ लेती थी, लेक्चरर उनको आंसर दे देती थी. मुझे 1 साल लगा डिक्शनरी पढ़ के ये समझने में कि कैसे क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है, बोलना है, और कैसे उसका आंसर यू नो समझना है. तो तब तक ये बैठ गई दिमाग में कि हिंदी मतलब फेल्योर, इंग्लिश मतलब यू नो मोर अचीवमेंट. Right, but with time, yes, Pramod.
Yes, same case मेरे साथ था.
Same case. Many of us have the same thing.
Ma'am.
Yes, who is sharing this screen? Please remove this. Just see 1211. Yeah, thank you. Yes, who was saying something?
मैम हिमांशु छाबड़ा हूँ PhD स्कॉलर CMT से.
Yes.
मैम हम लोग बड़े ग्राउंड लेवल से उठ के और यूनिवर्सिटी में PhD करने गए और मास्टर डिग्री कुछ तरह से करी. तो हम लोग जब गए वहां पे तो हमारे साथ भी ऐसा एग्जाम्पल क्रिएट हुआ कि हम लोग इंग्लिश सही बोल नहीं पाते थे या समझ नहीं पाते थे. धीरे धीरे हम चीजों को समझे, एक बड़े वातावरण में अपने आप को ढाला और फिर भी ग्राउंडेड बनने की कोशिश करी. लेकिन आज भी मैम हमारे समाज में ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हम लोगों को मतलब एक औरे से दूर करती हैं कि भाई वो तो बहुत होशियार है और तुम बहुत लेवल पर हो. तो लेकिन ये चीजों को हम लोग ही कर रहे हैं मैम इसको क्रिएट, और हम ही इसको खत्म करेंगे.
Yes. So आप यहाँ तक पहुंचे हैं हिमांशु. This is one example that this assumption is not true. राइट और जब यू नो मेरी स्टेज पे पहुंच जाते हैं तो ये रियलाइज होता है कि दोनों जो लैंग्वेज हैं दे आर जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन मीडियम. दोनों लैंग्वेज हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों मीडियम है, दे आर नॉट अल्टीमेट थिंग. ठीक है, कौन इंग्लिश अच्छी बोल सकता है तो इट्स नॉट कि वो बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम में भी करेगा. और ये अजम्पशन मेरी अपने आप जब मैंने ग्रेजुएशन में तो टूटी ही, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में फुल्ली टूट गई. जब मुझे गोल्ड मेडल मिला तो बहुत लोग हैरान हुए कि हिंदी मीडियम से पढ़ी हुई लड़की जिसको बहुत अच्छे से इंग्लिश बोलनी नहीं आती है उसको कैसे मिल गया. मतलब मेरे खुद के क्लासमेट्स, मेरे इवन 1-2 टीचर्स भी हैरान हुए. काफी टीचर्स जिन्होंने देखा था कि हाँ मेहनत कर रही है. तो now I am taking you to a different aspect.
यहाँ मैंने देखा कुछ बच्चे ना वो BA के आए हैं.
हाँ जी. अच्छा, okay, there is some other noise. So you know what I am trying to link here is कि जब आप कुछ assumptions बना लेंगे और उस assumptions के हिसाब से काम करना शुरू करेंगे तो वो आपकी जो result पे effect डालेगी. तो if you can start questioning your assumption right away, सीधा सीधा अपनी अजम्पशंस को टेस्ट करना शुरू करेंगे, चैलेंज करना शुरू करेंगे, आप ही को करनी है और कोई नहीं करेगा. Nobody will come and tell you कि हिंदी मीडियम से पढ़े हुए लोग अच्छा कर सकते हैं. That will not have an impact. It is only you who has to see that people from irrespective of background, किस कास्ट के हैं, किस रिलीजन के हैं, किस रूरल बैकग्राउंड से हैं, अर्बन बैकग्राउंड से हैं, ये सारी अजम्पशंस होती हैं हमारे माइंड में. हम फ्रेंडशिप भी उसी अजम्पशन से करते हैं, राइट. हमें लगता है कि ये मतलब इस पर्टिकुलर बैकग्राउंड के लोग जो है ज्यादा अच्छे हैं, मैं उनसे घुल मिल सकता हूँ या सकती हूँ, राइट. तो वो जो अजम्पशंस हैं, इफ यू कैन क्वेश्चन दैट एंड देन कम टू योर थिंकिंग पार्ट, इट विल हेल्प यू, राइट. सो लेट मी, यस हिमांशु.
मैम एक assumption और है कि अभी ये होता है कि 99% जो रिसर्च स्कॉलर हैं वो इंग्लिश में पीएचडी कंप्लीट करते हैं, लेकिन मेरी एमफिल भी हिंदी में है और मेरी पीएचडी भी हिंदी में है, और मैं जॉब लेके भी दिखाऊंगा आपको.
Good. All the best. I really liked your confidence, and I'm sure you will be successful, right? So like I shared, we have many assumptions as students, and you also must be having many. So one homework for you is, after this session, just write down. सुबह से लेके शाम तक आपकी क्या क्या assumptions रहती हैं. Like as a teacher, you know, मेरी क्या assumptions हैं. Like मैं यहाँ की assumption आपसे share कर रही हूँ. जब मैंने यहाँ पढ़ाना शुरू किया तो मुझे I was not that confident. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यूपीएससी जिसने क्लियर कर लिया उसको अंडर द सन सब कुछ आता होगा, मतलब उसको सब कुछ पता होगा, मैं उसको क्या पढ़ाऊंगी, व्हाट आई विल टीच हिम और हर. तो जब मेरा ये अजम्पशन था तो देन द कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल वाज लो. जब कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल लो था तो जो क्लास में इम्पैक्ट होता है दैट वाज नॉट दैट गुड. ठीक है. और फिर जो कनेक्शन बनता है और फिर जो सेटिस्फेक्शन होती है और वो एक सर्कल बनता जाता है ना. तो ये सर्कल ब्रेक हुआ जब मैंने रियलाइज किया दैट देयर आर सो मेनी कंसेप्ट्स which people don't know. They study different subjects, they come from different background, and they just prepare the content. As a person, they are similar. They work hard on the content, but they are not, it's not guaranteed that they are self-aware. It's not guaranteed that they know everything about themselves, right? So I can help in that. I can help them become better in knowing themselves, right? तो ऐसे ही क्लास में कोई अगर मान लो ट्रेनी जो मेरा हाथ बार बार उठाएगा और क्वेश्चन का आंसर देगा, आई फील लाइक ओके ये तो ब्रिलियंट है, यू नो, बट इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज सो. ब्रिलियंट इन द सेंस एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस, बट इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज सो. जो चुप बैठे हैं, इट्स नॉट कि वो ब्रिलियंट नहीं है. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स हमारे दिमाग में. जो लोग यहाँ इस सेशन में भी बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में आया होगा कि मैं इसका आंसर दूं, लेकिन ऐसे पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं कि पता नहीं सही है कि गलत है, ये मैडम क्या सोचेगी, दूसरे क्या सोचेंगे, मैं कैसी लैंग्वेज बोलूंगा, मैं ऐसा बोलूंगा. so many things they remain in my mind, our mind, right? So this is one thing I want to share, even one incident also. So as a teacher, I'm little strict in classroom behavior. अभी थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स हो गई हूँ, बट अर्लियर यू नो टॉलरेट ही नहीं होता था कि मेरी क्लास में कोई मोबाइल यूज करे. So that is a stated norm here in the academy also. We don't allow any participant to use mobile in the classroom. So over the time I developed this observation कि जिनका मुंडी नीचे है, सिर नीचे है, इसका मतलब वो मोबाइल यूज कर रहे हैं. And there is a full class of 180 students. और मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ और मैंने देखा किसी का ऐसे सिर नीचे है, इमीडिएटली ट्रिगर हो गया एंगर, यू नो, एंड आई जस्ट वॉक्ड up to that trainee and I was about to shout, but then I saw he was having a short notebook and pencil and he was writing what we were discussing, right? So immediately it hit me कि ये assumption मेरी कितनी बहुत लोगों ने देख लिया होगा मेरा behavior कि मैं इतनी जल्दी में चल के उसके पास गई हूँ, दिमाग कि गुस्से में गई हूँ, और अगर मैंने बोल दिया होता, गुस्सा कर लिया होता, उसको डांट दिया होता, and then I would have realized how bad it would have been, right? So it's like many things. अभी आप ऑनलाइन में लगा लीजिए ये so in this at least the number is maintained, but जैसे क्या होता है कि ऑनलाइन सेशन में आप भी लीव करते हैं और आपका नेटवर्क डाउन होता है तो भी लेफ्ट दिखा देता है. तो एज ए टीचर इफ आई सी समबडी लेफ्ट, ऐसे हार्ट में सिंकिंग सी फीलिंग आती है कि अरे उसको मेरा सेशन अच्छा नहीं लगा और वो छोड़ के चला गया. ऐसे ही आप मान लो वीडियो है, वीडियो ऑन करना ऑफ करना, इनिशियली इट वाज लाइक कि वीडियो ऑफ कर रखा है इसका मतलब द पर्सन इज नॉट टेकिंग इंटरेस्ट, बट अभी ऐसा नहीं है. आई हैव चेंज माय अजम्पशन. बट अगर आप नए नए हैं ऑनलाइन मोड पे, दैट विल कम इन योर माइंड एज ए टीचर कि ऑनलाइन वीडियो ऑफ का मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि अजम्पशन पूरी तरह गलत है, थोड़ी ठीक भी है. वीडियो ऑफ का मतलब है कि आप आराम से रिलैक्स होके बैठ गए, कुछ और साथ में खा पी रहे हो. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स, बट यू आर लिसनिंग. You're listening to me. I'm sure you are listening to me like that, right? Are we clear till now?
Yes,
ma'am.
So we have reached up to almost 3/4 part, और इतना टाइम मैंने लगाया है just to explain that our thinking, it comes from so many things. You know how our sense organs, how they are interpreted, and what are our assumptions, and then there are so many things. It's not कि thinking सिर्फ इन्हीं चीज से होती है, और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. एक thinking है, then it can go in different direction depending on our assumptions, our perceptions, our experience, and other things. Now I'm coming to the kind of solution mix part. You know how we can shift it, what we can do about it, right? Okay. So we talked about the concepts, and I shared in between also that how assumptions will have an impact on your day-to-day life. For example, I get up in the morning, so I have written it also. I feel daily, even today I have these assumptions कि जो लोग 4 बजे ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में उठ जाते हैं, they are able to achieve better. They are doing better, and it is a good thing to do. So this is my assumption. And when this assumption is there and I am not able to get up at 4, but I get up at 6:30, वो भी बड़ी मुश्किल से जब कोई चाय बना के दे देता है, तो I beat myself कि ना क्यों नहीं उठी means I should have. No? So this is one assumption, and I start my day with a wrong thinking. And then I feel less of myself कि मैं मतलब I am not that good, I'm not that competent. Again, you come to the most famous things. Facebook पे इतनी अच्छी हम पिक्चर देखते हैं, इतनी अच्छी हम पिक्चर लगाते हैं. We put up a best of our material कि जिसमें हम सबसे अच्छा दिख रहे हैं वो फोटो लगाएंगे, जिसमें हमारी फैमिली सबसे अच्छी दिख रही है वो फोटो लगाएंगे, जब हमने कुछ अचीव किया है वो शेयर करेंगे, हमारे बच्चे ने कुछ अचीव किया है दैट वी विल शेयर, आपकी एनिवर्सरी है, अच्छा बन ठन के आपने फोटो खिंचवाई है दैट यू विल शेयर. और मैं देन आई विल फील और एनीबडी विल फील कि सारे लोग इतने स्मार्ट हैं, वो तो परफेक्ट है, उनकी मैरिड लाइफ परफेक्ट है, उनको ये नहीं पता कि वो जो कपल ने फोटो खिंचवाई है उसके पहले और बाद में खूब झगड़ा हुआ. ठीक है, तो बता दो राइट. तो लिस्ट जो है हमारी इट गोज ऑन फुल डे. आप अपना पूरा दिन एक बार देखो, यू सी योर फुल डे एंड देन यू लिस्ट आउट कि भाई आप जो है क्या क्या अजम्पशंस हैं जो आपको छोटा बना रही हैं, लेस कॉन्फिडेंट बना रही हैं, आपके एफर्ट्स पर इम्पैक्ट डाल रही हैं. द वे यू आर डूइंग थिंग्स दे आर हैम्परिंग दैट. नो, इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ डाउनवर्ड स्पाइरल वी से. क्या आपने शुरू किया, थोड़ा सा डाउट हुआ, खुद पे डाउट हुआ, फिर वरी करना शुरू किया, हेट करना शुरू किया, दूसरे से जेलसी करनी शुरू करी, गिल्ट आ गया, इनसिक्योरिटी आ गया, एंड अल्टीमेटली वी कम डाउन टू सम काइंड ऑफ साइकोलॉजिकल इशू. दैट कैन बी आता है. डाउनवर्ड स्पाइरल बहुतों में आता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझ में नहीं आता, और जो भी पढ़ाते हैं या हु आर एट गुड प्लेस सब में आता है. But there is a time to hold this. There is a time to stop this. And how we can do that? Right? So we can do that by changing our perception. The key mantra of this today's session, if you can take away only one line, change your perception and you will change your assumptions. You will change your assumption, you will change your thinking. You will change your thinking, your style will change, your efforts will change, and then result will change. राइट. अगर मतलब मैंने और स्लाइड नहीं बनाई होती तो हम यहां भी बंद करके मैं बता सकती थी कि ओके दिस इज द क्रक्स, बट देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स टू टेल. लेट मी शेयर दैट. सो फर्स्ट थिंग टू स्टार्ट इज वी हैव टू सी आवरसेल्फ, सी कि हम क्या परसीव कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं. जस्ट बी अवेयर अबाउट दैट right? This is only a gift which is given to human, that we can observe ourselves perceiving things, right? And the first step is we have to see differently. We have to become aware कि जो मैं देख रहा हूं वही reality नहीं है. There may be different reality. The dress is not, I cannot guarantee is blue and black. It can be white and gold also, right? That we have to accept. So we have to be aware about our perceptions, our assumptions, our moods. हमारे mood क्यों change होते हैं? Somebody will say कि circumstances mood change करते हैं. No. How we react to circumstance, that will change our mood. There are pattern in our behavior, a particular pattern of negativity. So in me, there are triggers. So simple trigger, like what happened today before class. So I have a tendency to come to class at least 40-45 minutes before, mean be ready for the class before. But today my daughter had an exam. I had to help her and I got late and it triggered me. And when it triggers me, I always call my husband. Right? So it's like, if you know this is triggering me, and then you can stop it, and then maybe you can take control of situation. Right? So I want to share one thing, that how our mindset, mindset is a lens or frame of mind which orients an individual to a particular set of associations. In simple terms, कि हम क्या lens हमने देखा है, हमने क्या information देखी है. So ये term काफी लोगों ने सुनी होगी, प्लेसबो इफेक्ट सुनिए, प्लेसिबो और प्लेसबो. So मेडिकल टर्म है, साइकोलॉजी की टर्म है. The terms, it means बहुत बार इसमें ये पर्टिकुलर एक्सपेरिमेंट तो किया ही गया. इन डे टू डे लाइफ ऑल्सो यू मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व. सो इन दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट व्हाट दे डिड वाज, दो तीन लगा लो कुछ पेशेंट्स थे who were about to undergo one surgery, major surgery, और उस सर्जरी में काफी चीर फाड़ होनी थी, and they would have lot of pain after surgery. तो उस पेन को रिड्यूस करने के लिए उनको एक इंजेक्शन देना था, दर्द का इंजेक्शन. ठीक है, तो वो दर्द का इंजेक्शन दो अलग अलग सैंपल में, एक सैंपल में छुपा के दिया, बिना दिखाई दिया, और एक सैंपल में नर्स आई इंजेक्शन लेके और उसने लगाया. तो व्हाट एक्सपेरिमेंटर्स ऑब्जर्व दैट जो फीलिंग ऑफ पेन है, दैट वाज लेस इन पीपल हु सॉ द नर्स गिविंग इंजेक्शन, बट इट वाज नॉट लेसन. दे फेल्ट कि पेन अभी गया नहीं है, जिसको छुपा के इंजेक्शन दिया. ठीक है, तो बहुत बार यू विल सी कि हमारे बहुत सारे जो स्पेशली जो डॉक्टर होते हैं ना, गांव में डॉक्टर होते हैं, वो कई बार मीठी गोली दे देते हैं बूढ़े लोगों को कि ठीक हो गया, ठीक हो जाएगा. तो वो प्लेसिबो ही है, वो प्लेसिबो ही कर रहे हैं. इट्स सेम थिंग कि सम टाइम जस्ट सीइंग दैट समथिंग इज बीइंग डन, दैट विल हेल्प पीपल इन फीलिंग बेटर. राइट? सो इट इज आवर माइंडसेट. ठीक है, नाउ सेम थिंग इज माइंडसेट अबाउट स्ट्रेस. हम स्ट्रेस को कैसे देखते हैं? सो इज इट बैड? People will say it is bad. Some of you who have read about good stress will say कि optimum level of stress is good, right? So stress के बारे में सारे उसमें लगा रहता है कि stress जो है, it's one of the reason for suicide, for disease, for blood pressure, for accident. I'm not denying that. I'm not saying that it doesn't happen. It happens. But in day-to-day life, how we see stress will have an impact. So I'll share one experiment. I'll show the video what they did. So in this, there were two scientists from Yale University. What they did was, a group of managers था, and they उनको surety थी कि they are about to be laid off. उनकी नौकरी जाने वाली है. ठीक है, दोनों पूरा जो मैनेजर्स थे उनको पता था, लगभग 38 मैनेजर्स थे, उनको पता था कि हमारी नौकरी कभी भी जा सकती है. और नौकरी जाना इज अ ह्यूज स्ट्रेस. You can imagine that, right? तो उन्होंने उस ग्रुप को they divided into two. आधे ग्रुप को दिखाया स्ट्रेस इज डिबिलिटेटिंग, स्ट्रेस जो है हानिकारक है. आधे ग्रुप को दिखाया स्ट्रेस इज एनहांसिंग, कि स्ट्रेस अच्छा है. And after that, they measured their stress level, and those who saw the right side of the video कि stress अच्छा है, वो कम stress feel कर रहे थे, और जो लेफ्ट साइड जिन्होंने देखा कि स्ट्रेस तो बिल्कुल बुरी बात है, वो ज्यादा स्ट्रेस फील कर रहे थे। मैं आपको वीडियो दिखाती हूँ, क्या उन्होंने वीडियो दिखाया, ये शो किया। I'll just show you. Can you see the YouTube? Yes,
No,
anybody?
No, ma'am.
Okay, maybe I, हाँ, दोबारा शेयर करती हूँ। So are you with me? हाँ, 17 लोग तो कम हो गए हैं, I can see.
यस मैम। यस मैम। मैम ये म्यूट कर रखा है ना, कोई चैट डिसेबल कर रखी है।
वो तो मैम हो गई, आपने कहा था कि 20 मिनट्स के बाद कम हो जाएंगे, बट आफ्टर 1 आवर दे आर देयर।
मैम एक्चुअली चैट डिसेबल है ना और म्यूट है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि
चैट डिसेबल और म्यूट है तो इंटरेक्शन हो ही नहीं पा रहा है।
अच्छा सुनो भाई, ऐसा कर दो प्रमोद, थोड़ी देर के लिए चैट अनेबल कर दो, ठीक है? ओके, सो पहले ये वीडियो देखो, फिर उसके बाद बात करते हैं, ठीक है? दिखाई दे रहा है, सुनाई दे रहा है?
यस मैम।
ओके,
यस मैम।
So got it? आइडिया मिला कि सेम चीज को इफ यू कैन सी फ्रॉम डिफरेंट लेंसेज इट विल बी डिफरेंट। तो हमारे आज के सिनेरियो में आप लगाओ that the kind of information we are taking it, if we are taking lot of negative information, it will change our mindset to negative only. If we take positive information, it will change our mindset to positive, right? So simple, by this example we can see, so decide to
ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay, okay.
अब ठीक है।
अब तो मैं बोली नहीं। Okay. So, okay.
It is audible.
Yes. Okay. So what this experiment says is, like most things in life, it is our mindset which determines where something is good or not good for us, right? So we have to, the message here is we have to change our mindset. And how to change our mindset? By increasing our perspective. एक narrow perspective से you have to increase your perspective. And how you can increase your perspective? How you can increase your perspective? Yes, what are the ways? Anybody?
Open-mindedness, ma'am. Acceptance.
Acceptance, okay. Tell me the resources. Tell me the resources. Actual resources which are.
more books.
Read more books. Yes.
मैम करवा दो।
Yes.
ओपन करवा दो
मैम।
Chat open करा दो. Okay. Pramod, can you do that?
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying, ma'am.
Okay. तब तक बोलो, आप बोलो, मुझे तो आपकी आवाज भी अच्छी लग रही है राहुल. You can say.
मैम बुक रीडिंग कर सकते हैं हम, साथ ही साथ
बुक रीडिंग,
मोटिवेशनल मूवीज हैं, सीरीज है काफी सारी, जिसको देख के आप पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग डेवलप कर सकते हैं हमारी.
Yes. What else?
Traveling, ma'am.
By
Traveling.
By traveling, yes. By traveling to new places, yes.
कल्चर्स को, अलग अलग कल्चर्स को हम देख सकते हैं मैम, वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, क्या कुछ
वेरी राइट, वेरी राइट. सो इवन
एक
आप
दूसरे के एक्सपीरियंस को देख के,
यस, एक दूसरे के एक्सपीरियंस को देख के. सो जयंत, व्हाट यू वर सेइंग कि एक दूसरे के कल्चर को, तो इवन जो हमारा लिमिटेड जो सर्कल है उसमें हम 4-5 लोग दोस्त बन के बैठ जाते हैं, एक ही लैंग्वेज के या एक ही साइड के, एक ही कास्ट के, एक गांव के, एक शहर के. इफ वी कैन ब्रेक दैट, if we can reach out to people from different background, that will change our perspective, right? As a student, तो आपका अपना कोर ग्रुप तो होता है, सबका होता है, बट उस कोर ग्रुप से बाहर भी निकलना है, दूसरे से भी इंटरेक्ट करना है, then you will get different perspective of things, right? So बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां, जो बड़ी बड़ी मल्टीनेशनल कंपनियां हैं, they invest so much to keep their team as diverse as possible. अलग अलग जगह से, अलग अलग लैंग्वेज, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंट्री, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट बैकग्राउंड, उनको मिक्स करके then they get the creative solutions. जो मोस्ट ऑफ द क्रिएटिव सॉल्यूशंस आते हैं, they come from diverse teams, जहां एक तरह के सोचने वाले लोग नहीं बैठे होते हैं, जहां अलग अलग जगह के लोग बैठे होते हैं. Right? So if we can shift our mindset, if we can reframe our perceptions about, ourselves, about success, about intelligence, about future, about life, about aging, about everything, if we can change it, we can change our life, So it's like John Milton once said that the mind can make a heaven of hell and hell of heaven. So one example which comes straight away in my mind is Sushant Rajput, right? कितने लोग इंक्लूडिंग मैं बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी फैन नहीं थी, बट आई यूज्ड टू एडमायर हिम कि कहाँ पहुंच गया लड़का, कितना अच्छा कर रहा है. एंड सडनली यू सी इट्स ऑल माइंड गेम, इट्स ऑल थिंकिंग गेम, दैट वी कैन मेक हेवन एज अ हेल और हेल एज अ हेवन. Right? So there are few tried and tested things I want to suggest here, practical tips. One of the most useful, and maybe some of you must be doing it in terms of writing diary or whatever. So if you are not doing, try it. Some of you may like it. I don't guarantee everybody will like it. Just write for a few minutes each day or every alternate day or every weekend for the things that you are grateful for. ठीक है, वो like for example I give you some questions, just try. मैं जैसे जैसे क्वेश्चन मैं स्क्रीन पे डालूंगी, just see, आपने माइंड में सोचो उस बारे में. ठीक है, what is the best thing that happened today so far? दोपहर के 12, 12:15 बज गए हैं, अब तक की आपके पूरे दिन की बेस्ट थिंग क्या है? What is the most beautiful thing you saw today? सुबह से उठने के बाद से अब तक आपने सबसे सुंदर चीज क्या देखी है? It may be face of your mother. It may be a flower. It may be something good, some good painting. It can be anything. What made you laugh or smile today? आप अब तक पूरे दिन में किस बात पे हंसे हैं? तो मैं तो सबसे पहले इसी बात पे हंस ली थी कि जैसे स्क्रीन शुरू हुआ वो एनोटेशन शुरू हो गया, राइट? उसी में ही बहुत अच्छे से जो है स्माइल आ गई थी. What are you excited about in your life right now? अभी कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? What आपके दिमाग में लाइफ को लेके क्या है, क्या एक्साइटमेंट है अपनी लाइफ को?
The webinar is going very well.
Thank you, Mukul. Thank you for sharing. What's the last song you heard that you enjoyed? How did it make you feel and why? Last song कब सुना था? सुबह सुना था, कल शाम को सुना था, जो आपने बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय किया. How did it make you feel? What's one
सुना था.
Or thoughtful thing someone did for you recently? सुबह से अब तक में किसी ने आपके लिए कुछ अच्छा किया हो and you felt good about it, हाँ? आपकी हेल्प करी हो. What's something you witnessed recently that reminded you that life is good? Something which reminded you that people are good. What simple pleasure did you enjoy or can you enjoy today? आज के दिन में सोचो, क्या ऑलरेडी एंजॉय कर चुके हो और अभी करोगे? So what I can say is ऑनलाइन क्लास में साइड में बैठ के और चाय पीना, that is simple pleasure. आप क्लासरूम में ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हो, right? What's the last thing you enjoyed with your senses, full senses? बहुत अच्छा खाना, कुछ अच्छी डिश, कोई सॉन्ग, कोई खुशबू, एनीथिंग. This is one compulsory question for everybody. List at least 3 things you like about yourself. मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप अपने बारे में लिखिए 3 चीजें which you like about yourself. What movie, book, blog, article affected your life for the better recently? किस चीज ने, किस मूवी ने, बुक ने आपको अच्छा महसूस कराया, आपकी लाइफ में बेटर फील कराया? Describe one person who influenced you and list all of that person's good qualities. You know, उस person की क्या क्या अच्छी qualities हैं. So like this, there are so many ways. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि these questions are sacrosanct and you have to use only these questions. You can prepare your own trigger questions and you can answer them, you know, off and on, off and on. It will make you feel that life is good. So one book I read and I want to share one learning from that book is, the book name is Atomic Habits. How you can change your habits. So the book says there is a principle, aggregation of marginal gains. Simple terms में कि आप अपने पूरा जो आप अचीव करना चाहते हैं उसको छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स में बांट लीजिए और डेली एक छोटा 1% काम कीजिए. Daily 1%. If you want to become a reader, read 1 page daily. If you want to become a writer, write 1 page daily. Right? If you want to learn good English, at least learn 1 word daily. It's like reducing the amount of work into smallest percentage and doing it daily. So that remained with me from this book. I liked it.
Ma'am, there is one book.
Ikigai is a book. Yes. At large, yes. It's a good. There are many good books. इतनी books हैं कि ऐसा लगता है कि हम अपनी लाइफ में पूरी पढ़ भी पाएंगे कि नहीं. अच्छी books. I'm not talking about just general books. So some other ways, again, tried and tested. So one thing is, हम सबका दिन कोई ना कोई दिन बुरा जाता है, खराब जाता है, and we rush to share that. अपने फ्रेंड से, अपने पेरेंट्स से, अपने हस्बैंड से, वाइफ से कि आज दिन बहुत खराब गया, ऐसा हुआ, वैसा हुआ. बट वी टेक गुड थिंग्स फॉर ग्रांटेड. जो अच्छा हुआ उसको हम ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं कि वो तो अच्छा हो गया तो ठीक है, इट्स ओके. बट नेगेटिव हो गया तो वी हैव टू शेयर. सो वी हैव टू रिमाइंड आवरसेल्व्स दैट वी हैव टू शेयर गुड न्यूज विद अदर्स. राइट? वी नो बुरा हमेशा शेयर नहीं करना है, कुछ अच्छा हुआ है वो भी शेयर करना है. Right? So one exercise you can do is, किसी दिन बहुत बुरा दिन गया है, share कर लो, but then write something which is good about that. कुछ उस बुरे में भी कुछ अच्छा था. Right? So we actually have to work around us कि as a community भी हमें we have to focus on good. We have to focus on positive. For example, अगर ऑनलाइन क्लास की बात करें, no doubt ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आर हैम्परिंग आवर यूजुअल वेज ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स. बट सोचो ना, ऑनलाइन क्लास नहीं होती तो पहली बात, मेरे को मौका इतना जल्दी हम बैठकर बात नहीं कर रहे होते. ऑनलाइन क्लास नहीं होती तो आप वीडियो ऑफ करके साइड में 2-3 चीजें और देख के और अपने रिलैक्स्ड रूम में क्लास नहीं अटेंड कर रहे होते. राइट? सो these are some good things about online classes. Refrain from using too much of social media. That is the main, one of the important advice I want to give, that we should reduce our social media use and connect more with people in our surrounding, अपने surrounding में, अपने parents, भाई बहन, चाचा ताऊ, cousin, friends, neighbor. Please connect with them more rather than being on the Twitter or Facebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I have experienced it.
Yes, Gaurav?
Ma'am, I have a doubt on this point, ma'am.
I'll come. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm just finishing and I'll come straight away.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So next slide I want to show is one thing, that be kind, be careful in selection of words when you are having conversation with others. आपका एक word किसी के दिमाग में अगर बैठ गया, नेगेटिविटी स्टार्ट कर दिया स्पाइरल, it can stay with that person for the whole day, for the whole week. So be kind as much as possible. So there are so many other means also. I have shared what I use and I believe in, right? So by these little changes, we can shift our mind and we can see glass as more full rather than empty, right? Lastly, I want to say there will be many people. Most of the people, they come in the middle category, which we say who can handle their negative thoughts. There will be many who will not be able to handle their negative thoughts by themselves. So my advice is ask for help. Help मांगो. Help मांगो, अपने पेरेंट्स से मांगो, फैमिली से मांगो, टीचर से मांगो, फ्रेंड से मांगो, कलीग से मांगो, प्रोफेशनल हेल्प मांगो. Go to doctor if sometimes you are feeling unusual negativity of thoughts, especially like depression and all. Go to a professional. It's as simple as medically simple as जैसे आपको बुखार हुआ है या और कोई बीमारी हुआ है. It is just like that, right? And the other way is there is a responsibility and role of parents also to not normalize these things. Don't underestimate कि ये थोड़े दिन की नेगेटिविटी है, ठीक हो जाएगी, ऐसे हो जाएगी. They should take it seriously, you know. कि स्पाइरल अगर डाउन जा ही रहा है, अप आ ही नहीं रहा है, there must be something wrong and they should seek professional advice. Teachers have to play the role of more, you know, not only delivering the content, but also as a mentor, as a guide. They should guide the students in their vicinity. Friends, colleagues, किसी को बहुत दिन से आपने देखा नहीं है, if somebody is behaving unusually, उसका behavior काफी दिन से आपको डाउट लग रहा है, बोलने वाला है सडनली चुप हो गया है, चुप रहने वाला है सडनली बहुत बोलने लग गया है, any unusual thing, please pay attention and ask. पूछो, बात करो, you know, connect. तो वही सोशल मीडिया वाली बात होती है. All these things you will be able to observe if you will be able to see them, connect with them. You know, so I'll end with this. This is second slide. That you see the left side is past. What has already happened. There were many ways you were born and there were many possibilities, but you are here today in the middle. From here, there are so many possibilities, right? You can go in any direction depending on your thinking, your mindset, right? And lastly, I recommend these 3 books on the basis of my session, which I have used and somehow read recently and found very good. Deviate, which says how to see things differently. Atomic Habits हम बात कर चुके हैं. There is one serious book, Range. थोड़ा serious reader कोई है, they should read this. All teachers should read this. All parents should read this, right? End of presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Yes.
ma'am.
And I don't know how much time we have. Maybe 15 minutes, Deepa madam?
Anji, bilkul, we'll have around 15 to 20 minutes for question answer session.
Okay.
One by one, students can ask questions.
Gaurav first. Yes, Gaurav, where are you?
पानी पी लो मैम थोड़ा सा.
मेरी आवाज से लग रहा है. Yes, please, anybody.
Yes, ma'am. I have doubt that when we stop using social media and start to communicate with our surrounding members, but if they are using the same social media, what can we do?
Okay. So देखो 2 चीजें हैं गौरव कि आप इमेजिन करो कि मान लो आप 2 भाई हो, 2 भाई बहन हो, एक रूम में बैठ के आप सोशल मीडिया यूज कर रहे हो, दूसरे रूम में बैठ के वो बहन सोशल मीडिया यूज कर रहे हो. व्हाट इज दैट कनेक्शन? क्या रियल में आप कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो? जो फेस टू फेस आपका जो कन्वर्सेशन होती है या फोन पे बात करके 1-to-1 जो कन्वर्सेशन होती है, क्या आप वो कर पाते हो? मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आप सोशल मीडिया बिल्कुल बंद कर दो. So I'm sharing what in lockdown I became habitual of using Twitter. तो मेरे को लगा कि बहुत मेरा जो टाइम था काफी, एक बार आप घुस गए ना उसमें, then you keep doing, आपको पता ही नहीं चलता घंटों कब निकल गए. ठीक है, तो मैंने उसमें से, और कभी कभी जब बैठे ही फोन हाथ में है, ट्विटर खोल लिया, फेसबुक खोल लिया, कुछ भी. राइट. सो मैंने ये एटॉमिक हैबिट में दिया हुआ था कि आपकी कोई हैबिट है उसको डिफिकल्ट बनाओ. सो आई मेड इट डिफिकल्ट बाय रिमूविंग द ऐप फ्रॉम द फोन. अब अगर मुझे ट्विटर यूज करना है, आई विल गो ऑन दी वेब पेज, आई विल टाइप ट्विटर, आई विल टाइप माय लॉगिन यूजर नेम, पासवर्ड. इसमें कितना एफर्ट लगता है, ठीक है. तो इसमें आप तभी जाओगे जब आप सच में ट्विटर यूज करना चाहोगे. ऐसे नहीं कि आपका बच्चा पास में खेल रहा है, लाइक मेरा एग्जाम्पल कि मेरी बेटी पास में खेल रहा है और मैं ट्विटर देख रही हूँ. वो ट्विटर पे जाने के लिए वो बेटी को छोड़ के जाके लॉग इन करके देखना पड़ेगा ना. No,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
as simple as that.
I did my IG account.
Yes, Sangeeta?
यस मैम, सेम मैंने भी ऐसा ही किया. मेरे फोन में इंस्टाग्राम ऐप था, तो जब भी टाइम लगा फोन हाथ में आया, पता नहीं कुछ और काम के लिए फोन हाथ में लिया, लेकिन फिर भी वो खोल लिया. तो फिर मैंने ऐसे ही अनइंस्टॉल कर दिया. और फिर मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब तो लॉग इन करना पड़ेगा, पासवर्ड डालना पड़ेगा ये. तो फिर वो जब जरूरी काम हुआ तभी हुआ. तो मैंने
वेरी राइट. सो ये होता है. Yes, Deepak.
मैम इट्स पूनम.
Okay, Poonam, sorry.
मैम अभी लास्ट ही कुछ 10 to 15 डेज की बात है. तो फिर जो इंस्टाग्राम ऐप है कि हम जो उसको खोलते हैं तो बार बार हमारा मन करता है हम स्क्रॉल डाउन करते रहते हैं. और वो उससे इतना ज्यादा इफेक्ट होगी मेरी हेल्थ, मेरा माइंड, माय माइंड स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग, सीइंग एनीथिंग, लाइक देयर इज नथिंग हैपनिंग, लाइक ओनली इंस्टाग्राम. So I deleted the app and I started my the next day I texted in my class group कि आज से मैं in the next morning कि आज से मैं हर रोज एक थॉट लिखा करूंगी, आप सबको बताया करूंगी कि एक थॉट, तो जो पॉजिटिव थॉट कि चाहे कोई एक पर्सन भी मुझसे इन्फ्लुएंस हो कि हाँ कि आपने अच्छा बोला है, ये बोला है, कि मेरी मॉर्निंग तो अच्छी हो, सबकी भी हो.
Yes.
तो वो चीज, उससे बचने के लिए मैंने इंस्टाग्राम डिलीट किया और फिर जो अपने थॉट्स शेयर करने स्टार्ट किए और फिर बुक्स रीडिंग करना स्टार्ट किया. तो आई एम फीलिंग बेटर.
Yes. Good. Thanks for sharing this, Poonam. This is inspirational. Yes, Madhuri. Yes, Deepa.
I would like to share something.
Yes, ma'am.
हम जितने भी टीचर्स हैं, स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हम सबकी कुछ हॉबीज रही हैं. जब हम छोटे थे, ड्राइंग करना, पेंटिंग करना, डांस करना, गार्डनिंग करना, चुटकुले सुनाना, शेरो शायरी करना, खूब ठहाके मार के हंसना. तो आई थिंक ये सब आईटी एज में आके हम सब भूल गए हैं. अब रादर देन कि मोबाइल पे ही स्क्रॉल डाउन, जैसे पूनम ने कहा, बहुत सही बात कही इस बच्ची ने. इवन देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन वी एज एल्डर्स आल्सो फील द सेम. तो मुझे लगता है कि उन हॉबीज के पास दोबारा जाना, कि इफ यू लव म्यूजिक, लिसन टू म्यूजिक, वो मतलब इतना आनंद आएगा. इट इज अ फूड फॉर माइंड, इट इज अ फूड फॉर बॉडी. स्टार्ट डांसिंग विद इट. कुकिंग करने में मजा आ रहा है, कुक करो. अगर वैसी छत पे बैठ के आपको पेड़ चिड़िया को देखने में मजा आ रहा है, यू स्टार्ट लविंग दैट. तो ये हॉबीज जो खाली फुर्सत में बैठ के अपने साथ कुछ लम्हे बिताने हैं, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वी नीड टू relearn this thing.
Very right. Thank you, Deepa. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. First Madhuri, then
good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, Madhuri.
Ma'am, actually I have a question. You have talked that because of assumptions we do not feel ourselves, or we do not accept the people as they are. So I want to ask you this question, that if I talk of mental health issues, then it is something which is rarely talked in our society and rarely accepted in our society. It is a sort of stigma is attached to that. So how do you see that? How can we increase acceptance about the mental health issues?
Yes. So very, very relevant and very, very good question. I'll say कि stigma तो है और कम हुआ है, लेकिन अभी भी है. So here comes the role. जो ये हमारा जो सेशन हो रहा है, जो हमारी बात हो रही है, this session is for this purpose only, कि हम इस चीज को नॉर्मल समझें, that somebody can, जैसे लाइक मैंने एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल दिया कि नेगेटिविटी का स्पाइरल होता है. एवरीबडी एज अ पर्सन, एवरीबडी गोज इन दैट स्पाइरल ऑफ एंड ऑन कभी कभी, बट वो हम रूटीन में हैंडल कर लेते हैं. अपने आप हैंडल कर लेते हैं. मैक्सिमम अपने पेरेंट्स की या कलीग की या हस्बैंड की या वाइफ की हेल्प से वापस आ जाते हैं. देयर आर फ्यू पीपल हु मे नॉट कम आउट ऑफ दैट. राइट. सो जस्ट टू नॉर्मलाइज दैट कि ये लोग भी उतने ही नॉर्मल हैं जितने हम लोग हैं जो उसको हैंडल कर पा रहे हैं. एंड वी शुड गिव दिस मैसेज. अब आप लगा लो हम 266 बचे हैं इस सेशन में. एक एक बंदा अगर जाके हम ले जाएं ये थॉट और ये मैसेज कि फीलिंग नेगेटिव, बीइंग डिप्रेस्ड or being in anxiety or any mental ailments related to mental health is not abnormal. It is absolutely normal. किसी को बुखार ज्यादा दिन रहता है, किसी की जल्दी ठीक हो जाता है. It's like your hygiene, your body immunity. तो किसी की मेंटल इम्यूनिटी उतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं होती है. वी हैव टू हेल्प देम, वी हैव टू नॉर्मलाइज दैट. सो दैट मैसेज वी ओनली हैव टू कैरी, माधुरी. उसका कोई ऐसा इलाज नहीं है. And I think we are doing work. Maybe we have to do more, right? So कुछ आसपास ऐसी घटनाएं हो जाती हैं तो उससे लगता है कि I think we have to do more. It is not sufficient. Yes.
नमस्ते मैडम.
Thank you. हाँ जी, नमस्कार जी.
मैडम, I am Abhishek Saini.
हाँ जी.
I write one question from your chat box directly. Chat box.
अभी लिखा आपने? आप बता ही दीजिए, आप बात कर रहे हैं तो.
If any PhD guide is not spotted last 3 years, then what scholar can do?
Okay. तो देखिए ऐसा है, ये इस
डिप्रेशन स्टेज तो मैडम आप क्रिएट हो जाती है. आप 3 साल 4 साल 5 साल आपको हो जाते हैं, आप काम नहीं हो पाता आपको जो है. आप लास्ट few days back, one student is already suiciding in your university.
Very unfortunate. So yes.
What will change your mind in this issue?
Okay, so I can't say कि you can change mind of the guide. I will not say कि we can, means I can't guarantee that I can change your mind, right? Only one thing we can do is we can change ourselves. So if for example, right now I'm sure, and I can not empathize fully because my guide was very supportive and he helped me a lot in the PhD. So I can't understand your problem fully. I can't take that claim, but still I can feel that you are facing this issue, right? And because of that issue, maybe you are in a kind of light negativity mode, right? So from this session, I'll only recommend that try to see yourself, try to see your relationship with your guide, on what assumptions it is based. What do you assume your guide to do? What your guide assumes you.
Madam, how to improve the relation with the guide or ourselves?
हाँ, तो मैं वही बता रही हूँ अभिषेक जी कि आप देखिए, हमारा अजम्पशन क्या होता है कि हमने किसी के गाइड को देखा, दूसरे किसी स्टूडेंट के गाइड को देखा कि वो गाइड ऐसे काम करता है या ऐसे काम कराता है. बट हर इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंट है. हमने देखा कि हर एक की परसेप्शन डिफरेंट है. एक छोटी सी चीज, एक कलर सेम नहीं है, तो आप सोचो थॉट प्रोसेस और उसकी पर्सनैलिटी, उसका काम करने का तरीका सेम कैसे होगा. ठीक है. योर गाइड इज ए इंडिविजुअल, फुल फ्लेश्ड इंडिविजुअल. उनका इंडिपेंडेंटली अपना तरीका है. ठीक है. Now you have to see how you can make best with that individual, right? So means I don't have quick solution, but if you can work on, or you think about your relationship, why it is not as good as you wanted it to be, what are the things coming in between. जो आज हमने बात करी है उस कंटेक्स्ट में सोचना कि क्या क्या ऐसी एजम्पशन रही होंगी. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, मैं छोटा सा एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि मैं अज्यूम करती हूँ कि मेरा कोई कलीग है या मेरा कोई फैकल्टी मेंबर है पास में और मैं उसके साथ कुछ काम कर रही हूँ. तो माय अजम्पशन इज कि वो रात में ये पढ़ के आएगा, सुबह आके मुझे ये फीडबैक देगा और हम फिर डिस्कस करेंगे और हम फिर देन विल वर्क नेक्स्ट. Now that person have different assumption, that person have different things to do. अगले दिन जब हम मिलते हो कहेगा कि सुनीता मैम मैंने तो ना पढ़ा ही नहीं और ऐसे हो गया और वैसे हो गया. Now I wanted him to do something in my mind. मैंने कन्वे नहीं किया, मैंने उसको ऑब्जेक्टिवली बताया नहीं कि आप ये कल पढ़ के आएंगे तो हम कल डिस्कस कर पाएंगे. कोई टाइम फ्रेम नहीं दिया. ठीक है. अब मैं अपने दिमाग में घुलती रहूं कि ये तो नकारा है, कोई काम का कलीग नहीं मिला, ये टीम मेरी अच्छी नहीं है, तो उससे उसका कोई बुरा नहीं होगा. मेरी ही थिंकिंग पे असर पड़ेगा, मेरे ही काम पे असर पड़ेगा. राइट. सो आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम एबल टू मेक सम सेंस टू यू, but my only advice will be to just see yourself. Just कुछ करो मत, just देखो, honestly देखो. If you can honestly see, maybe you will find the way out.
But madam, he is not giving time to how to discuss, how to clarify issues.
So maybe you can meet Professor Deepa.
Yes.
She may help out. Personally you can meet her and maybe they can help out.
Definitely.
Right? Yes.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Garima.
Ma'am, so you talked about the incident with the trainee, the triggering incident. So, ma'am, I have also anger issues and I get triggered very easily, lose my calm. So, what would you like to advise to that?
I would like to advise you that wait. जैसे ही trigger होता है, wait. Give yourself time. इतना टाइम दो कि जिसमें तुम्हारा मतलब थोड़ा सा वो काउंटिंग वाला काम मेरे पे तो नहीं करता है. I am a fairly excitable person. बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता था मुझे. अभी ओके है. It's okay. अभी भी आ जाता है. तो अभी आ जाता है तो मैं तो 2-3 चीज करती हूँ गरिमा. One thing कि I'll excuse myself a bit out. थोड़ा कम लेवल का गुस्सा है तो शांत हो जाएगा, अपने आप से हो जाएगा. वॉशरूम जाकर आ गए, पानी पी के आ गए. एंड तब तक क्या होता है कि अब ये जो अजम्पशन चैलेंजिंग का आइडिया है ये बहुत ही कंटेजियस है. आप जितना आप अजम्पशन चैलेंज करेंगे उतना आपका ये बढ़ता जाएगा. आप हर अजम्पशन चैलेंज करेंगे. तो मेरा ये शुरू हो गया है. तो जब मुझे गुस्सा आता है तो जो जिस बात पे गुस्सा आया है, आई थिंक अबाउट इट कि मेरे को इस बात पे गुस्सा, इज इट रियली लाइक दैट? ठीक है, तो उतना टाइम मुझे मिल गया उस पे काम करने के लिए. एंड देन आई विल कम बैक. बट बहुत बार ऐसा भी हुआ है कि 2 दिन तक भी गुस्सा शांत नहीं हुआ है. उसमें तो सिर्फ एक ही चीज काम करती है मेरे लिए, तो आई हैव टू गो टू दैट पर्सन एंड स्पीक टू दैट पर्सन इन एज न्यूट्रल एज पॉसिबल. मतलब वे कई बार न्यूट्रल नहीं रह पाते हैं और मे बी सम ऑफ यू मे लाफ कि मुझे बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है तो आंसू भी आते हैं. तो इट्स आई डोंट नो, हर एक का अलग तरीका है बट होता है. बट जितना आप कम्युनिकेट कर पाएंगे दूसरे पर्सन से, मे बी यू विल बी एबल टू हैंडल बेटर.
Ma'am, wanna say something about it?
Poonam आप बोल चुकी है. Let me ask Ankit and then Poonam. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can just smile also, ma'am. जो हम स्माइल करते हैं तो हमारे अंदर हार्मोन रिलीज होता है मैम हैप्पीनेस के लिए.
Yes, that is one. So it means कि इमोशंस जो है सिर्फ अंदर से ही नहीं आते हैं. जो आप इमोशन को फिजिकल एक्टिविटी से भी चेंज कर सकते हो. So your smile, just simple by changing your stance, you can change your feelings. Yes, thank you Ankit. Thank you for adding this. Poonam, yes.
यस मैम. मैम जैसे जो लास्ट जिसने बताया कि मैं जल्दी गुस्सा हो जाती हूँ, टेम्पर इश्यूज हैं उसको, तो उसके लिए कि मेरा अजम्पशन है कि मैं ऐसा होता है कि जो आपकी अननेसेसरी चीजें हैं, आपको उन चीजों पे गुस्सा आ रहा है तो आप उन कुछ चीजों को लेट गो करोगे तो आप शांत रहोगे. कंट्रोल, अपने ऊपर कंट्रोल करो कि आप जितना सहन कर सकते हो. और कुछ चीजें होती है कि आप किसी ऐसे पर्सन को या फिर कोई भी आपको गुस्सा कर रहा है तो फिर आप किसी को, डू नॉट लेट द पावर टू समवन टू मेक यू एंग्री. कि आप किसी को वो पावर मत दो कि जो आपको एंग्री कर दे. अगर आपको किसी ऐसे पर्सन से गुस्सा आया है जो आप क्लोज टू यू, तो आप उससे जाके बात करो. अगर मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हुई है तो वो चीजें सोल्व आउट कर सकती हैं. आपका टेम्पर लूज हो रहा है ज्यादा तो उसको कम कर सकती हैं. तो वो चीजें हो सकती हैं. इसके लिए मैं बोलना चाहूंगी.
Thank you Poonam. Thank you for sharing this. Yes. Anybody else? Manoj and yes, 1 HMC MCOM KS STM UD नाम तो ये है. बोलो.
नमस्कार मैम, मनोज बोल रहा हूँ जी.
हाँ मनोज बोलिए.
ईयर के एग्जाम के लिए मैम पहले तो मैं सॉरी चाहूंगा आपसे क्वेश्चन के लिए. मैम थोड़ी सी रिक्वेस्ट ये थी, यहाँ काफी बच्चे ऐसे हैं यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर थोड़ा एग्जाम का इश्यू चल रहा है.
तो देखिए ये जो सेशन है दिस इज ओनली फॉर पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग. तो सारी चीजों की सॉल्यूशन इसी में नहीं मिल सकते हैं आपको, तो आप वेट कीजिए. ठीक है, अभी लेट अस टॉक अबाउट पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग. ओके मैम, कब तक वेट करें? जनवरी में पेपर होने थे, अब तक नहीं हुए. नहीं तो मैम
वीसी सर से बात करनी है,
नहीं दे सकती ना मैम.
बॉक्स पे जस्ट अ मोमेंट, चैट बॉक्स पे वीसी सर ने ही डाला है 2017 बैच रीअपियर एग्जाम for first and third semester will be held in June only. स्टार्टिंग विद सेकंड वीक ऑफ जून, और न्यूज़पेपर में भी ऑलरेडी डेट शीट आ चुकी है। बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ द पेपर्स
डेट शीट नहीं आई मैम, अभी तो बोला 15 दिन ऐसे निकल जाएंगे मैम, हमारी 1 साल लेट पहले ही चल रही है मैडम।
हाँ, अजय सेशन का
8 तारीख से एग्जाम है, 30 तारीख से आपके ऑनलाइन जो है आपको वेबसाइट पे आपको वो ईमेल अपनी वेरीफाई करवानी है, ठीक है। प्रोग्राम बन रहा है, डेट शीट बन रही है और 30 तारीख तक डेट शीट, पहली तारीख डेट शीट भी आ जाएगी, 8 तारीख से आपके एग्जाम ये आ चुका है, ठीक है। आज न्यूज़पेपर में भी आया है, तो कई बार पॉजिटिव न्यूज जो है नहीं लगाते हैं।
हाँ जी सर, बिल्कुल।
दीपा मैम, आई थिंक
हाँ जी, अब विल वाइंड अप।
यस
हाँ जी, मनप्रीत
जी,
सुनीता मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैंडलिंग द क्वेरीज।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such a wonderful session. Now I request Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Tankeshwar Kumar ji, for blessing the students through his words of wisdom.
Okay. Thank you very much. मेरा वीडियो आया?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. First of all, Deepa Mangala, you know, you organized this event and it is very timely, and you know, we are not, everybody in this pandemic time is having different time, you know, somebody, you know, maybe because of something else, students, I can see, you know, their anxiety and everything, you know, we are to be very, very, you know, sensitive to the matter. So that's what I understand. And there are many students, first I will address their problem. And in fact, we yesterday had the full meeting, and decided that this batch, 2017 batch, their exams were supposed to be held, obviously, in the month of, you know, along with your odd semester exam, which was finally shifted to March, and then to April, and then to, you know, it's now 3rd and 5th are being held. And first and third semester examination we will be starting on very soon, and we are already making the program for its option, and the exam will be held in June, and by I think we will be declaring the result as and when there's marks are received by this. So that means they have not to wait for whole of the examination result to be out. So that's the new method we have. So that's the way, you know, we are to work. So because, you know, this news where yesterday came in, but it came very, it may be 3 lines, 4 lines. So this is a very positive news, because about maybe 4,000 students are for this, you know, they're working for this, you know, they are waiting for this news. So that appeared only in a very small corner. So I could only find out from my somebody who could trace out it. Otherwise, in the morning I could not. But even
excuse me, sir.
Yeah. So
Sir,
it was there in the positive.
Excuse me, sir.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Okay.
So, you know, this is because we were talking about the positivity today, and so that's I just handed that thing that the positive news sometimes are not highlighted or something like that. So it's a really, it was a very wonderful lecture. It was a wonderful lecture by Dr. Professor Sunita, and I know she has been helping this university from time to time, you know, whenever we require her help, and it was just wonderful lecture. As you know, that there was some questions I was listening to from the student side, or maybe from the faculty side, or maybe from the as a point of the research scholars, you know. But as I see that the positivity has to be all around, you know, it should be all around, you know. It's not that okay, the students have to be positive, the teacher also has to be positive, administrative staff have to be also positive, you know, those who are dealing with the things, you know, it has to be the positive atmosphere. It cannot be one-sided. It has to be from all the sides, right? Everybody should be sensitive to the things. And so that's the, you know, that's the way I way I want to request you that, I gave this feeling that we should have such lectures. This lecture should not only be for the research scholars and the students. It should be for me also. It should be for the teachers also. It should be for the administrator also. It should be for the our non-teaching staff also. Only then we can have a kind of atmosphere, right? Because I understand कि भी कोई लिमिट होती है किसी चीज की, कुछ लोगों की वो एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है, कहीं वो उससे हार जाते हैं, so all these things happen. So these things will be more effective if all are becoming positive, all the branches of the the society becomes positive. So that is so I will request maybe Professor Deepa Mangla, she is now PSW, but you can always organize a lecture, maybe in consultation with our HRDC for the faculty, for the non-teaching staff, and so on, right? So at least 2 more lectures are required, right? And where we can talk about such things. Such things mean we can also address our sensitivity towards our responsibility. It should be maybe the students, it may be with the employees or something like that. This is very important that we can just these things somehow I relates to the what we look at it, how much you are satisfied, जिसे कहते हैं कि कितने आप संतुष्ट हैं, और इन चीजों से जो है इस पॉजिटिविटी पे बहुत अफेक्ट पड़ता है। मैं इस चीज को भी महसूस करता हूँ। जो सेटिस्फेक्शन लेवल है, ये आपको अपने आप ढूंढना पड़ता है, अपने जरूरतों के हिसाब से ढूंढना पड़ता है। किसी को कितना भी कुछ मिल जाए वो उससे सेटिस्फाई नहीं होता है, ठीक है। तो ये लेकिन यदि कुछ लोग हैं, किसी को कुछ भी मिला है तो उसमें उसी में सेटिस्फाई रहते हैं, उसी में खुश रहते हैं। तो हैप्पीनेस जो है वो अपना ये नहीं है कि आपको ये मिल गया, वो मिल गया, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, सब चीजें जो है मिल जाएंगी तो उससे मेरी हैप्पीनेस हो जाएगा। दैट्स नॉट हैप्पीनेस, राइट। तो हैप्पीनेस जो है बहुत चीजें जो है आप अपने आप में संतुष्ट रह के कर सकते हैं। और ये चीजें जो है मुझे लगता है कि सीखने पे नहीं आती हैं, सीखने पे नहीं आती हैं, इसे फील करना पड़ता है, इसे महसूस करना पड़ता है और ऐसा सब एटमॉस्फेयर बनाना पड़ता है। तो मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर हम तभी अपने अराउंड बना सकते हैं जब हम सभी लोग जो हैं, चाहे हम टीचर हों, चाहे हम लोग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में हों, और चाहे हम, क्योंकि विद्यार्थी तो देखिए इतने विद्यार्थी आते हैं, विद्यार्थी 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल में यहाँ से चेंज भी हो जाता है, लेकिन उनको पढ़ाना, उनको समझाना, उनको शिक्षा देना, उनको हमें हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि कैसे हम उनको जो पॉजिटिविटी की तरफ जो है ले जा सकते हैं। और आई थिंक बहुत सारी जो इसमें बातें हैं जो कर सकते हैं आदमी, but I would not like to, it's just we had a wonderful lecture, so I would like that such lectures are being arranged maybe by Professor Deepa Mangla for our faculty and non-teaching staff also. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for the Dean Student Welfare as well as Professor Sunita.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me,
sir.
Thank you. Motivating words. All of us to move successfully in our lives. Now I request Professor Uba Savita, Faculty of Management, HSB, for vote of thanks.
Thank you, Manpreet. A very good afternoon to all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks for this successful webinar on positive thinking. First and foremost, I thank our resource person, Professor Sunita Rani, Faculty of Social Management, Lal Bahadur Shastri, National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie, for the excellent coverage on the very apt topic of positive thinking, which is actually very much required in the current adverse conditions of the pandemic. I am sure that the research scholars and the students have learned how to remain positive in their approach from today's deliberations. We indeed had a fruitful day today. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to extend my warm thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Tankeshwar Kumar, sir, for blessing the occasion. Sir, your presence, in spite of your busy schedule, is a reflection of the importance that is attached to this webinar. We all are inspired by your gracious presence, sir. Thank you, sir. I thank the young and energetic DSW of our university, Professor Deepa Mangla, for organizing this webinar on positive thinking, again, which is very much required in these times. Thank you, ma'am. I thank the representatives of media for covering the webinar. I thank Dr. Pramod Kumar, Assistant Professor, HSB, for all the technical support for wide circulation of the webinar. I also thank Ms. Manpreet Kaur, JRF HSB, for comparing. I would fail in my duty if I do not thank for whom this webinar has been organized, the research scholars and the students. I thank the participants for their patient listening. Dear participants, there are two ways to be happy. Change the situation, which is actually not possible in this pandemic. And the second is change the mindset towards it. I am sure today's webinar on positive thinking will help you in maintaining the positivity levels high. Thank you. Thank you one and all for joining us and making this webinar a success. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ji. Congratulations for wonderful this.
I request all the participants to start their videos.
Thank you, sir.
Please
so
सब एक
that
बार
we can
वीडियोस
click some
ऑन करें.
pictures.
Yes, yes. मनप्रीत आप भी ऑन करिए बेटा वीडियो.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Pramod. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Deepa ma'am.
Thank you,
It
ma'am.
was our pleasure to be with you.
Thank you. It was all pleasure was mine actually. Thank you. Thank you, Pramod, for handling it so well.
Thank you so much, ma'am.